Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. As we can see, we're taking a quick look at Polygon here today, and we are still heading down, basically having this continued retracement that we have been seeing. I think you could probably say that there's a bit of a trend line right here that needs to be broken for Polygon right now in this local area. It's pretty clear that Polygon has been in a fairly decent downtrend for a good little while here. You can see obviously, if you take a little bit of a zoom out, we're still looking pretty good on this macro in terms of making higher highs and higher lows for a bit of a continuation to the upside in terms of the face of this, bear market that we might still be in. We're kind of teetering on the brink of getting back into a bull market, obviously showing some signs of it. But right now, as we can see, since the start of the year, we had that really nice move to the upside, didn't we? But then after that, recently we've had Bitcoin having a bit of a retracement, and you can see Polygon's no exception here to that rule. You can see ever since we came down here to the 0.38 here Fibonacci level at around 75 cents, we got down to the bottom of this area here, inside that range that we've been in for a good while between those two fib levels, with this nice run up, consolidate, another run up here, and now we're coming back down and retracing, aren't we? Looking like we are just continuing to the downside. If we go on the hourly time frame here, you can see we're kind of stuck under this resistance that we have been getting rejected at each time that we come up to it. Continuing to the downside here. On the hourly time frame, you can see we've come down and lost this swing low here as well, and retesting as resistance. So probably going to continue to the downside for the foreseeable future, as I've been saying. Most likely now that we've come back inside the 618 and retested it as resistance, as I said, the next real support is that fib level down here at the 0.50 at around 97 cents. But obviously $1 psychological support going to be pretty damn critical as well. And in my opinion, we could easily see ourselves coming up like this, getting a bounce down here, a little bit of a consolidate, and then a bounce and continuation. Because you can see Polygon's been doing really, really well, isn't it? In the face of this bear market, you can see ever since we got down to that 90% retracement for it down here, we got the bounce to the upside, consolidate, a little bit of a fake out with the FTX collapse here, moved to the upside, got rejected, came back down, and now looking like we are continuing to the upside, really making some good headway. So right now, we're just, the way that I'm trading this, I said I'm averaging into a position, a long position for Polygon. You can see I've been filled here, here, and here, and I have another large position down here at the 0.50 that will be filled hopefully if we do get down to that level. I do think that we could see a very nice bounce in this area, especially with this bit of structure that's been made here. And really, we are just inside a big area of structure. So in my opinion, waiting for the bounce right now to the upside, I do think we're probably going to see more upside for crypto over the next few months. So that's the way I'm playing it with Polygon today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out every single day with other investors. So if you do want to get an edge on the markets and support the channel, that would be a good way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.